Hello friends, today we will see automatic parking light control which will turn on in a night when there is no light at outside and will turn off when daylight is there. So it is totally depend on a condition outside. So in a case of winter our lights will turn on early because there is a like sun sets early, right? And in a days of summer it will goes longer and will turn on late because sun sets late. So this is totally automatic and very cost efficient circuit because it is hardly having few components like resistor, LED, our transistor, NPN and the 12 volt relay which will drive our AC output. Okay, so let's start with the circuit. So now you can see here we are using LDR that is connected to VCC. So pull up is here, R2 we are using, and actually it depends on we have to calculate the resistor across the LDR. Whatever resistor LDR is having at a room temperature or room light is the value we can take for the R2. So let's suppose if we take the value of 10k as of now, so we just write down over here that we are considering R2 is equal to 10k. Then R1 is nothing but the current limiting resistor for this LED. So we are taking that with a very low value because we are having VCC and driven by the collector of BC547. So we are taking this as a 330 ohm. If you calculate this according to the datasheet of LED, it requires uh, not 2 amperes, that means 20 milliamperes of current. And if our VCC is 5 volt, then if you calculate the value of resistor, because resistor is nothing but the V upon I, so you will get the value 470 ohms. Okay, so according to that only you will get value over here. Now we have, these are the values only we have to consider. So two values we have taken like this only. Now what we are doing is we are doing the circuit connection. As I told you, we are using AC load over here. So we are not doing that on breadboard, we are directly doing that on a 0 PCB and we will solder the same. Now first we will connect the relay because we have to give the input DC to the coils, and we have to take in, like we have to do the connection of line or neutral through the normally open contacts. So whenever it will get, like coil get energized, that time the normally open contact will close and glow up our load. Okay, so that is the only mechanism we are going to use here. So first I'll check with that, I'll give DC 12 volt to the coil and we'll check that like our load is working or not. Here we have done with the connection to our load. Now I'm placing the component on a 0 PCB with the circuit diagram we are having. Okay, I'm just fast forwarding the video, then we will go for the test. So here we have placed the BC547 LED resistor and everything. I have used 10k pull down resistor over here and give the connection, and AC I'm just connecting. Now it's a time to test the circuit. So here when I'm turning it on, due to relay mismatch connection, the load is not working properly. Now what I'm doing here is the resistor that LDR I'm connected to the pull up side, but 10k is at pull down, so I'm changing that to 2.2k volt, and here I'm getting the result. So the updated connection is I'm having R2 which is equal to 2.2 kilo ohms. So remember that, calculate the resistance across LDR and then decide the voltage divider second resistor. This is how the circuit will work. Thanks for watching. Do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.